Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to mute the CSR2 game on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. If you don't want sound within your game in the CSR2 while you're playing it, then first of all go ahead and open up the game if you have already installed it. Now once the game is fully loaded and you have completed the tutorial, you will have access to one vehicle. You can then also access your main menu, which looks something like this. Now from your main menu, click on the right arrow button at the left side of the screen and this will open up the main menu. From the main menu, tap on the settings option at the right corner and this will take you to the options page. Now from the options page, simply scroll down and you will find the mute music as well as mute SFX button. You can simply tap on them and this will mute the music as well as the sound effects section. Now you can go back to your game and when you play it, you will notice that the sounds are no longer appearing and your game has successfully been muted. In case you want to unmute, you can come back to this menu and simply tap on the unmute buttons for both the music and sound effects. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to mute the CSR2 game on your device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.